Hi, what's up, Theta Network holder? So this is the live price prediction of Theta Network coin, my friend. And as you can see here, minus 32.54%, Theta Network price will fails down. So it is very bad fail, my friend, because as you can see here, price is highest price is 9.59, but the price will fails down to, my friend, as you can see here, my friend, they were fails down to 4.98 USD dollar. So it's a very bad term, my friend, but absolutely currently, as you can see here, just and only check out this one huge pump. This is jump, my friend. You can see this is this is the end of month. So at the end of month every coin will pump, but after that, my friend, you can see here they were fails down very badly. So that's clear, my friends. To at the start of month every coin will fails down, and I'm 100% sure, my friends, to the last 10 days of this month this coin will completely blooms up. This coin will completely go in the moon now. So holders, you are need to hold now. If you are hold, just and only all focus, all credit goes to my friend holder. If they are hold, so the coin will moving upward, but if they are starting selling the credit, my friends, so everything is going to die now. So please, holder, I have one request to kindly hold it now, and please don't starting selling. If you starting selling, so we cannot do something now. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the price will pumps up, but if holders are starting investing more and more, and the price will be gone and double now. So thanks for watching, holder. Kindly like video and please press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.